working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, damn guys ain't dumb. Just maybe get a pistol on your little finger. Maybe get a pistol on your thumb. We got to restore microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs. Oh, well, move on.
On behalf of the United States Air Force, Commander, Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we'd like to thank you for having us here in New Jersey. I'm the Viper Demonstration Superintendent and one of your narrators, Master Sergeant Max Thomas from Wilmington, North Carolina. Here with me at Show Center is my co-narrator, Tech Sergeant Aaron Balzano from West Monroe, Louisiana, as well as our safety observer and combat fighter pilot, Captain Joshua Holden, call sign Pogo from Atlanta, Georgia. As members of Air Combat Command's 20th Fighter Wing, located at McGuire Air Force Base in beautiful Sumter, South Carolina, it is our distinct pleasure to describe for you today a combat capability demonstration by the world premier multi-role fighter F-16 Fighting Falcon, affectionately known as the Viper.
She won't sit, I'm there. But when the time lonely, she sees me too big. What set you free? A rush to me, baby. What set you free? I need you here.
The commander and pilot for the Viper demonstration team is Captain Aimee Fiedler, call sign Rebel from New Braunfels, Texas. Captain Fiedler is a seasoned pilot with more than 2,000 hours in civilian and military aircraft. The Block 50 Viper you'll see in today's demonstration is equipped with a General Electric F-129 afterburning turbofan jet engine. Captain Fiedler has 30,000 pounds of thrust at her fingertips, allowing her to achieve flight after only using 1,000 feet of runway. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up and put your hands together for Captain Fiedler and the F-16 Fighting Falcon! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. Let's give her a big round of applause. Captain Fiedler is now setting up for the first airbag maneuver. Cuban Eight. Watch the trouble traces the vertical figure 8 in the demonstration area.
I'm always ready for a war again. Go down that road again. It's all the same. It's
than 700 miles per hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2.
First time that I saw him, wonder how many girls he had loved and left haunted. But if he's a ghost, then I can be a phantom.
As she returns to show center, Captain Fiedler will accelerate rapidly and snap the F-16 through a series of aileron rolls, demonstrating exceptional roll maneuverability. Dropping in from the left, Rebel and the triple roll.
In a dogfight, the ability to turn tight is crucial. Watch now as Rebel shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, she'll bank sharply and accelerate through a tight turn, pressing her into the seat with a force of 9 times her normal weight. Demonstrate the F-16's charisma handling characteristics as she performs a 4-point roll in show center, pausing briefly at each 90-degree increment. Notice the precision at which these individual movements are executed. In from the left, the F-16 in the 4-point roll.
Way too big when we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at Boost. I been in my own town, got the news. All on lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's going. Back up popping with the crew. I just landed in, just be busy. Stop like Jamba Joe's. Different kind of chains. Think my jewelry really selling fruits. And they joking, man. You know the she was
And now, one more time from your right, watch as Rebel unleashes the sound of freedom. She'll flirt with the sound barrier as she crosses show center at 950 feet per second.
Just like the fajita, I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow. Just like the demeanor.
As she approaches show left, Captain Fiedler will set up for her favorite series of maneuvers, which will demonstrate the F-16's ability to turn tight and stay unpredictable, a trait which helps the Viper survive against low-altitude threats. She will then quickly transition from the horizontal flight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, it's the Falcon Turn.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one day.
Fiedler is now slowing the F-16 to prepare for a slow-speed, high-alpha task. While the Viper can fly at more than twice the speed of sound, slow-speed control is just as important as those who fly. High alpha refers to the high angle of attack in which the aircraft will be flying. Rebel will be holding the Viper at 23 degrees nose-up position and moving at only 120 miles per hour. When she reaches show center, Captain Fiedler will apply full afterburner and accelerate her aircraft into a nearly vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust-to-weight ratio in a maneuver we proudly call the rocket launch.
Yeah. Whoa, hold on. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. Hey. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Gang moves. I like to walk around with my chain loose. I got the same moves with the dope scientists. That's my sauce when you find it. Adding up checks, don't mind us. Yeah, get your respect in diamonds.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to want to get your cameras ready as Captain Fiedler prepares to demonstrate the combination of thrust and digital flight control systems that makes the knife edge maneuver possible. From your right, the F-16 and the knife edge pass.
Yeah. Oh, that's London on the track when I shot back.
We got London on the track.
Maybe Thursday, never person, but you're curving. Curvy little body love surface.
One more day.
Now watch as Rebel sets up for a maximum performance climb with a series of aileron rolls. As she pulls back on the stick, you'll see the Viper's exceptional power and rolling ability as she sends it from 300 feet to over 3 miles.
You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Say.
To dedicate this pass to the men and women, all branches of the armed forces. Warriors and veterans and attendants, and those that have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture this salute.
Broken here, make friends and lost through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at night till the dirt road home made me crave some ice cold.
Now from behind the crowd and to the right, F-16 Viper demonstration team proudly presents dedication.
Oh, made me love a small town. Oh, made me wanna settle down. Pickup lines didn't say.
The Viper you see in action today is maintained by our expert team of maintenance professionals. Crew Chief Staff Sergeant Joshua Busher from Lexington Park, Maryland. Staff Sergeant David Anthony from Rochester, New York. Senior Airman Carter Powell from Stanley, Iowa. Electronic Environmental Specialist Staff Sergeant George Brown Stokes from Morgantown, West Virginia. Avionics Specialist Staff Sergeant Austin Denny from Mount Vernon, Kentucky. Protect all of your social media posts and photos with at Viper MOT.
Made me love a small town. Oh, made me wanna settle down in a home made for the two of us. Everything.
Rebels got a little gas in the tank. Get up on your feet and let's see what she's got. Dropping in from your left. The F-16 and the 4-point roll. There's 1, 2, everybody wave. There's 3 and 4.
we know you like the sound of freedom. Here comes Rebel with her final pass as she shows you what 30,000 pounds of thrust looks like in a 27,000-pound aircraft. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a big round of applause as she passes by.
Captain Fiedler has now lowered the landing gear. As she approaches the runway, she'll decelerate to about 150 miles per hour, enabling the F-16 to stop in less than about 3,000 feet if necessary. At its ability to take off on relatively short runways, you have a fighter that can operate from thousands of airfields in virtually every country in the world. While today's demonstration shows you how well the F-16 can maneuver in combat, while we cannot show you the striking power, the accuracy, and lethality of the weapons it carries. The Viper can hit targets well outside of visual range while flying faster than the speed of sound. Coupled with innovative, motivated, versatile, and adaptable airmen, the United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon is applying new technologies and capabilities never before employed on a fighter.
As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today. Either flying in the cockpit of an F-16 or on the ground guaranteeing its readiness to fight. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women from Air Combat Command, we'd like to thank you for your patriotism, thank you for your support. It's back to you, Aaron.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. How about a huge round of applause for your headliner, the F-16 Viper demo team. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the flying portion of our air show today and our event, but there's still so many great things for you to check out here on the ramp. So please remember, you can still go visit all these different aircraft, tour them. There's also the STEM Center. So if you haven't made it into the STEM Center, I certainly want you to head that way. And